Hello everybody! In this video we're going to be learning the Makaton Sign Language for the bridge, and we're going to be recapping over the tune. I'm sure it's something that you know very well. So just to recap, the bridge is the part that goes like this. I've swapped instruments now, I'm on the ukulele. Time flies by in the yellow and green, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you meet me, you'll know where I'll be. So that is the bridge. I'm by no means an expert of Makaton. I learnt it many years ago and I've forgotten quite a lot of it. Now I've been watching a video to help me learn this, so I will attach the video so you can see an expert do it properly, but she does go quite quickly, so I've tried to simplify it a little bit. Now Makaton is a way of communicating for people that maybe find communicating difficult, so perhaps they have particular communication difficulties and they find it hard to speak, or maybe it's a form of sign language as well, so perhaps they can't hear very well. So it's a wonderful thing to try and learn, because it must feel so wonderful for somebody that doesn't feel able to communicate with everybody. If everybody knew Makaton, then we'd all be able to talk to each other all the time. So it's a really wonderful skill to have, and I'm determined to learn more of it, and hopefully you will too after this video. So we're going to start by just pointing at an imaginary watch on our wrist, and for time flies by, and we're going to hit it twice. So time flies by. So time flies by, and I'm putting my fingers on top of my other finger there. Time flies by in the yellow and green. There are Makaton signs for the colours. So the sign for yellow is where you have your hand and you make almost a U shape with it, and then you take your other finger and you put it in the corner between your thumb and your forefinger, and it almost makes a Y shape. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. So you've got your Y. So time flies by in the yellow and green. Now I'm turning my hand the other way, and you're rubbing your forearm and your hands with your other hand. So that's green. So yellow and green. Yellow and green. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. So the second part's easier. Stick around, pointing down, and you'll see, pointing at your eye, what I mean, and you're just rubbing your hands or palms on top of each other. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Let's try and go from time goes by. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Perfect, well done. I'm finding this quite hard, so maybe some of you are too. You need to stop and practice, that's fine. Next part is the mountain top, and you're making a mountain with your arms above your head. There's a mountain top that I'm, point to yourself, dreaming. Now you've tucked your thumb in, and then you are tapping your head and you're kind of almost like a dream bubble, dreaming. I'm dreaming of. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, point to yourself, then you'll know. Now, for no, it's like you're doing a thumbs up, but then you're turning it and pointing the thumb towards your temple. You'll know where I'll be, and you're just dragging your hands down. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. Let's try it from the mountaintop. After 4, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. Well done. It's really good. Let's try it once more from the beginning and then we'll look at the tune. So we've got time flies by. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. Well done. It's quite tricky. You did a very good job. Let's look at the tune. Now, we're not going to spend ages on this part because I think you know this very well already. So the tune is after 4, we come in and then we sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Try that for me. I know it's quite a long section, but I feel like you know it very well. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Very good. The next part is stick around and you'll see. So it's the same bit twice. Stick around and you'll see. Your turn. 1, 2, 3. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Try that. What I mean. Let's try it from stick around and you'll see what I mean. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Perfect. Let's try it with the music. Time flies by. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Perfect. And then you're coming in quite quickly with there's a mountain top. So before, when we started, we didn't have that extra couple of notes, but now we do. So it's stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top. So you have to snatch there's a, coming really quickly. After 3, 1, 2, 3. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. So it's exactly the same melody. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. So it should be very easy. Let's try it one more time and then we'll try and sing it maybe without the ukulele and just with the sign language. So after 4, the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. Perfect. Let's just have one more go with the sign language, and then next week we'll be learning the chorus, the second verse, and the bridge. So, are we ready? We're going to be going time flies by. After 4, 1, 2, get ready. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. I'm sure you did a better job than I did then. So I hope you enjoyed learning the Makaton to that and singing the song, and I will see you next week to learn the rest of the song. Bye bye.